Hi guys, I'm gonna give you in this video a little more specific vocabulary about family that helpful to you. I think so. So, wait. Nuclear family. What is nuclear family? This is your family. This is your family. The ones that live with you in your house. In an average house, this is who lives in it. For brothers, mother, sister, grandparents, siblings, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. So who lives in your house that this family is called nuclear family. Extended family, that this family outside of your house. You have other family members. This is called extended family. Your nephews, your relatives, family. All these families are called extended family. Brother-in-law, sister-in-law. That this person that you added to your family through marriage. Step siblings. Step siblings, for instance, if I divorced and I married another man, if he had children and me, both of us. So, distance family. Distance family is that your cousin's child's family, but you don't know about them anything very well, and you're not so close to each other. That family is called distance family. Blended family. Blended family, that's like the parents got divorced, then they married, and he had two children, for instance, she had one child, and both of them children, that called one family, and blended families called. Adopted children. Adopted children, if you haven't your own child and you take a child from different parents and you accept this child as your own child. Foster parent. So, foster parent is that, let's say, for instance, a child lost his parents in accident, then there is no to take care of this child, so you begin to help to this child and to take care of him. That this time you are called foster parents. Single mom or dad. This is a parent who divorced or lost each other and is raising a child alone. Stay-at-home dad. This is a man that no working man who their wives are breadwinner, that their wives go to work and their wives earn money, but these men stay at home without working and look after the house workers and children. So, did you understand? So, marriage, to vet and get married. You know this word, get married. That's one fall in love person and each other love, and they decided to get married. separated. Separate the parents who live in other houses but not divorced by in-law. Maybe after some times they get in good manner, maybe they can live together. Yes, such that they nowadays they don't want to see each other and to live in a one house. For sometimes they want to live in other houses, and these parents are called separated parents. Divorced. Divorced parents that divorced this parent divorced by in-law, and after this they're not husband and wife. Widow and widower, that this person who lost his wife or husband. Sorry. So guys, I think so this vocabulary lesson was useful to you. If you have any questions from this video, please ask me from my WhatsApp number, and I am waiting for you every time. So goodbye. See you soon.